Hello everyone, welcome to Automation Edge. In this video I am going to explain you how to get value from any website and store in particular variable. So first of all we need to take the start browser plugin. In that plugin we just need to select the browser. We can take any browser like Google Chrome, Internet Explorer and Mozilla. For this example I am using the Google Chrome. In web URL field we just need to enter that particular URL. If we require to maximize browser window, then we need to check over here. If the start browser is the first node, then we just need to check the start browser node. Here we are using the page load timeout and delay. The next plugin is the webget value plugin. With the help of this plugin we can extract the value from website and store in any variable. First of all we need to select the criteria. The criteria can be anything like XPath, ID, name. For this example I am using the XPath. In criteria value field we just need to enter the XPath. We right now I have selected no for the multiple element with same criteria. I have selected the first index, and if the element is dropped down then we need to select yes, otherwise we can select no. The next field is the output field name. In output field name we just need to enter the any variable name. In that variable the value should be stored. Now I am going to run the bot. Okay, bot has navigated to that particular URL and extract the value, that is the share price, and store that value in stock price variable. As we can see, the bot execution has been successfully completed. In preview data we can get the all value. As we can see, in stock price we got the value, that is 1348.10, and on website we have the same value. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you very much.